Welcome back to the channel. Today's video comes out of Sacramento, California. In this body cam footage, officers are on routine patrol when they notice a man driving an SUV. As he passes them, he suddenly parks and quickly walks into an RV homeless encampment. While officers search for him, something unexpected happens. As always, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoy this type of content, please like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel.
Checks out. Where's the guy that just parked this? He had a Niners jersey on. Hi. Where'd the guy go that just parked this? I watched him walk out over here. I just walk out. Niners jersey on. Nothing. Nobody got nothing.
I was in my hair. I was
Okay, no big deal. There we go. Do you guys know where the guy went that had the Niners jersey on that had that car?
Colorado State. That car? No, I don't.
He walked right past you. Oh, he walked right past you. He was over here. I watched him get out of the car and go this way.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Okay. We're going to tow it, that's why. So if he wants his car back, you better come out and get it. Nobody knows where he went. Surprising. Up, ups. Anyone? That's fine.
You sure? No.
Oh, how's that? Who's got
It's me.
You mind if my car just check, make sure no bodies in there? No.
Not search for anything. You got a little bit, whatever. I'm not worried about it, man. Just...
I mean, you can pick your head in there.
Okay, that's all I need to do, man.
Yeah, we're not worried about it.
Yeah, I mean, you can pick your head.
Appreciate it, my guy. It's just weird that somebody parks their car, jumps out, and runs away from it, right? Yeah.
I'm finna watch Colorado play Colorado.
Oh, yeah, see that, man? That comes through pretty clear.
Huh?
That comes through pretty clear.
The what?
That comes through pretty clear.
Oh, yeah, but you satisfied? You want to?
Oh, yeah, I'm good, brother.
Good?
I'm good, man.
Yeah.
We're good. Clear. That one?
Yeah.
Thanks, bud. Appreciate the cooperation. Just climb through it. Hi! Well, no better? There you go. Can you see under here? Interesting. This one?
I don't know.
Did you see a Hispanic dude with a white dude with a Niners jersey on?
I just came out. I didn't see anything. I mean,
Okay.
oh, yeah, you came.
Appreciate it, man. Two, three. I got a dude hiding on top of an RV that just jumped out of this car. I want to contact him. All right, brother, man, you're at gunpoint. I need you to come down. Yo, you're on gunpoint. Get down now. All right?
Get up. Get it down.
Don't put your hands in your pockets. Just come down. Fuck. 23. Yeah, we're good? All right?
I got it.
Hey, you're good. You're good. You're good. Hey, let me see. Stop. Stop. You're all right. 23. Shot fired.
Hey, call my baby mom. Get my phone. The password.
That went that way.
All right.
Good.
Fuck. Ah!
Stop.
Fuck. Ah! Ah! You fucking shot me in my hand.
You're all right, dude.
Oh yeah. Fucking A.
You still awake? 23 subject is awake, talking, breathing.
Copy, awake and talking and breathing.
You all right? Keep talking. What's your name? Brother, talk to me, okay? What's your name, boss?
What's your name? Looking at that black wallet right there.
Hey, check his vitals, alright? Keep talking, brother, okay? We're gonna get you checked out.
You go with him for a second?
No.
You go with him for a second?
No.
Okay, well then go get my med bag.
He's alright.
I got it. Wait. I'm down.
Alright, hey man.
Hey, call my baby mom. Right there on the corner.
Alright, brother, what I'm gonna do is put.
Oh my god.
Alright?
Oh my god, you have to shoot me for.
Hey, didn't shoot you, my guy. You're alright.
What's your first name, boss?
You're alright, my
What's
guy.
your first name, boss?
What's your first name, my guy?
What's your first name?
Come on.
Oh, you fucking shot me in my head.
You're alright, dude. You're okay.
Why you have to shoot me in my head? What's your first name, boss?
I got no exit wound. I don't think he grazed him.
What's your first name, boss? Hey, you fire? He's gonna come help you, man.
He shot me in my
They're
head.
gonna ask you what your name is. What's your name?
He shot me in my head.
Okay, I understand. What's your name, boss?
Oh, fuck you.
Okay, well, fire needs your name to help you, man.
Oh, that's my name. Fuck you.
Okay.
Ah, why'd you have to fucking shoot me?
That one's clear. You might have a good.
There's no fucking gun in there, man.
We're looking for something with your name on it, man, so we know who you are. What's your name? You guys stay here.
You gotta stay here, brother. I need you guys to hang out too, okay?
Nope. You're gonna be detained in a second.
You're a witness to something, man. I need you guys to hang out.
You're gonna stay
You're
there.
gonna stay there, buddy.
You know right
Hey,
now,
keep talking,
you're gonna
brother.
stay, all right? No. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
Right here, slow down, slow down.
You're not going anywhere. Alright? Stay put. Alright.
Detain. These guys, they're good. They just need to hang out. No med needed. He's alright.
Uh,
All you guys can sit out. All three of you sit on my bumper. All three of you sit on the bumper. What's your name, buddy? Come on, keep talking. Show on this. Can you sit up for me, brother? We're good with him.
come here. Hey, boss, what's your name again, man?
Strong pulse.
What's your name?
Huh? No, he's fine.
No, you're good.
No, I need you guys to block that right there. Just make sure we're good on that. He's still awake and breathing.
I'll block it.
And then just stick him in the backseat of that car. Those cars over there. Okay?
Sarge, I had one round.
You're good.
You guys okay?
Yeah. He's awake, breathing. He's talking. He's got a strong pulse.
Walk with Mormon right there, okay? With the female.
You're alright, man. Let go of my fucking hand. Like, it fucking hurts.
No one's holding your hand, brother.
Man. Fucking shot me in my fucking head. I don't fucking go nowhere.
Okay, what's your name?
Ah.
What's your name?
Ah.
Hey, that whatever Nevada plate car is in play with all this stuff.
Copy.
Yeah. This one will be too.
Copy.
Did you see when they're both?
Got it.
All right, boss. Fire's on the square, all right? About a minute. Up, they're here.
Do you have name or anything when you
No, he's not doing anything.
Hey, partner, what's your name, my man? We need to tell fire who you are.
We gotta let fire know who you are, man. They're gonna ask the same thing.
I don't think it went in. There's no penetration. It's through. It's
Hey, boss. Fire needs to know your name. What's your name, man?
still strong pulse. It's like grazing word from 9
Graze? Yeah.
Graze.
Okay. Where else? Anything else?
No.
Just the one.
I mean, I gotta look.
Yep.
Yeah. Right here. I fired one round. Yes. Might be graze. I don't think penetrated.
Alright, you stay on my bleeding stop. Alright, bud. Let's unwrap it and get a fresh bandage on it. Where is it? There you go. You guys are coming back.
Not yet. We need one to jump in the ambulance. Do you or Kevin want to do it?
Well, you go in. Let's go over here with Jake. Hey, let's put. Who's this guy right here?
Let's get
this guy.
He's going to be in that one. He's cooperative. He's going to hang out.
That's great.
Okay.
I just don't want to bite.
I got that. He was on top of, he's the owner of this RV. He was on top of that RV. Okay.
Well, come on over here real quick.
And Gary, we're getting that 2 oxygen bombs.
Okay, you alright?
Yeah.
I will be taking your public safety statement. I will be asking you specific questions, so please answer only the questions asked of you.
Yep.
What was your approximate locations when you discharged your firearm?
Pretty much right where he's at right now in front of the RV.
The guy that's down?
Yep.
What was the approximate number of rounds you fired and in what direction?
1 round towards the RV.
Towards the RV?
1 round
northbound?
towards the RV, yes. Let's go north-ish.
So this
sorry.
is north. This is north?
Facing this way. This direction. Right there.
Okay, so
southeast.
Southeast direction.
1 round.
Do you know if any other officers fired any rounds?
Just me.
Are you aware of any victims, witnesses, or injured people?
Just the witnesses that are on scene detained right now. No other victims.
Are there any outstanding suspects?
Just the one.
Are there any weapons or evidence that needs to be secured right now? No? Okay. So, Officer Watt, in order to prevent the contamination of your statement, I order you not to discuss this incident with anyone, with the exception of your legal or SPOA representative, prior to the arrival of assigned investigators. You will have an opportunity to provide a full statement of this incident at a later time.
Okay. Lincoln's asking for.
What's that?
Lincoln's who's asking for.
I can tell you something too.
According to reports, the bullet grazed Santino Merez in the head. Merez was treated at the hospital and later released before being booked into the Sacramento County Main Jail. He was arrested in connection with using force or violence to prevent an officer from performing their duties, as well as an outstanding felony no bail warrant related to being a prohibited person in possession of a firearm, though no weapon was found on him at the time of this arrest. Reports also indicate that Merez later failed to appear at a scheduled court hearing,